Hi my friends, this is James with Dreamscapes. This is our latest Dreamscape creation. It's a 20-foot Pondless Waterfall with an adorable little pool. Our client likes it tranquil, like this. He likes to listen to it day and night. Super peaceful, he says. So we've got these stairs that his children can climb up and experience nature in its purest form. Water, dancing and singing. There are multiple benches in this project. One here, one here, one here, and one here where people can talk to each other. Are you ready for your dreamscape to come true?